take it slow. Oh, you know, I've been feeling low. All the love that I've had, I burn out like the cold stacks. And now I'm running loose like a train with no tracks. I need a slow train, I got a heavy load. I need far eyes that can see the road. I need long love that'll last a while, 'cause I've been alone for 100 miles. I need a slow train, I got a heavy load. I need far eyes that can see the road. I need long love that'll last a while, 'cause I've been alone for 100 miles. Oh, Emily, oh, won't you take a slow ride with me? Emily, won't you take a slow ride with me? She got curls in the back of her hair, sweet lips like the mountain air. And she smiles for a little while when she sings to me. Well, she runs in her dreams, she runs to be free. And I hope she runs the 3,000 miles to come be with me. I need a slow train, I got a heavy load. I need far eyes that can see the road. I need long love that'll last a while, 'cause I've been alone for 100 miles. I need a slow train, I got a heavy load. I need far eyes that can see the road. I need long love that'll last a while, 'cause I've been alone for 100 miles. Oh, Emily, oh, won't you take a slow ride with me? Emily, won't you take a slow ride with me? Oh yeah, Emily, won't you take a slow ride with me? Emily, won't you take a slow